Let's start with creating a frame for our modern website in Figma. A frame in Figma is like an artboard in other design software. It's a container that holds everything together. We'll create a frame with a size of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Next, we'll create a hero section. This is where we'll introduce Pride as a music platform with a catchy tagline, "Music without limits." We'll create a duplicate to see how it'll look on a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. We'll take the main frame and make it bigger. Next, we'll change the background to our primary black color and add our logo, which you'll find in the Assets section below the video. Then, we'll add links for our navigation. We'll use UI label for the links and select the style from our text styles. To duplicate the home link, you can hold the Option key and Shift on Mac and drag the object, or simply use the keyboard shortcuts Command+C and Command+V. Let's change the color for the links and create a button for the sign up link. We'll create an auto layout for the sign up link by pressing Shift+A. As none of our existing color styles is suitable, we will create a new color for the button's background. You can also create a new color style if you want to. Now, change the left and right padding of the sign up button to 24 pixels and top and bottom padding to 16 pixels. Let's also add a 16 pixel corner radius to give our button a rounder shape. Select the login link and sign up button by holding down Shift and create an auto layout with 24 pixel spacing. Select all the other labels and create another auto layout with 48 pixel spacing. Now, we'll nest all the items inside another auto layout. Select the two auto layouts and the logo and press Shift+A one more time. To make the top navigation wider, add a 386 pixel spacing. Now that we've reached this point, let's add a grid to move forward. A grid is a useful tool to help ensure that everything on the page is aligned properly. To add a grid, click on the plus button, and then adjust it by clicking on the icon. This will open up a pop-up where we'll change the grid to columns, set the count to 4, and keep the stretch type. We'll add a margin of 200 pixels and adjust the gutter to 30 pixels. Now, let's go back to our navigation, create an auto layout and add fill. We'll add transparent color styles for both the fill and stroke. Let's make sure our navigation is aligned with our grid. Add a corner radius. Now we'll move the entire navigation 24 pixels from the top edge of the frame. Hold down Option to see the distances between layers and use arrow keys to move the navigation. Select the entire frame and click on the present button to see a prototype preview. Next, we'll add heading, paragraph text, and a call to action button. To make it easier and quicker, we'll style them using the color and text styles we created earlier. While it's a good practice to name your layers, we won't do it in this tutorial to keep it short. But your template will come with named layers. There are a few plugins that can help you with layer naming, such as AutoName and Rename It. Now that we've applied our styles, let's work on the layout. Select the title and paragraph and create an auto layout. select the title and paragraph again and change the horizontal resizing property to Fill Container. Now you can drag the right side of the frame and the contents inside will resize automatically. Make the frame 888 pixels wide. Now, select the frame and the button and create another auto layout. The button is now positioned in the center, but we can change the alignment setting here. Set the spacing in the nested frame to 40 pixels and in the main frame to 56 pixels. Don't forget to make sure that the frame is aligned with the grid. Next, we'll create a background blur by creating a rectangle and changing its fill from solid to an angular gradient. We'll then rotate it slightly and add our secondary pink and blue colors. Play with the position and opacity of these colors until you achieve the right balance. When you're happy with the result, add layer blur and set the value to 192. Let's adjust it slightly. Awesome, now we can add our hero image. To do that, we'll need to remove the background. You can do this in Photoshop or with a background removal tool like erase.bg. Once the background is removed, let's position the image correctly. Let's flip the image horizontally so that our title, Music Without Limits, is the main focus. We'll add a rectangular blur to the image to make the body fade away smoothly. Perfect. Next, let's position the title in the middle. Let's check out our prototype. We've made a great progress. Now, we'll work on the next section which will showcase the top 3 trending songs on the platform.